What's going on, everybody? Cody back again today with Fit in 42 Kingwood. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Fit in 42. This is a 6-week lifestyle overhaul program. Most of you have already seen the videos of Fit in 42 and the promotional advertisements online. So if you're on the fence and you're not sure if Fit in 42 is right for you, I can guarantee you that it is. We have had people from all over come and do this program. We've had people with disabilities, health problems, and a lot of different musculoskeletal issues get through this program. It's not just about 6 weeks. It's not just about the workouts. It's about everything that you're gonna learn and take with you over a period of 42 long days. So the first 21 days is all about building new habits. And the second 21 days is making sure that you can stick to those habits. So as you can see, it's not just about 6 weeks. It's about what you're gonna learn and take with you forever afterwards. So you're gonna make tons of progress within this time frame, and then afterwards, you're gonna take all that with you so that you can continue to see success, so that you can continue to blast through your goals. So if you're sitting there, you're on the fence, and you're not sure that it's for you, or not sure that you can do it, I promise you that you can. We have had hundreds of people do this program and all see success. So, what are you guys waiting for? Come on in to Fit in 42 Kingwood, come meet with us, come talk with us, come see what we're about, and I promise you won't be disappointed. I'll see you guys in the gym.